So we take a look at Crown back in the doghouse after confirming the Victorian gambling regulator is considering the findings of the Royal Commission report relating to its use of payments platform UnionPay. The company says it's responding to information requests and will fully cooperate with the Commission on these and other matters. Shares just dipping into the red this morning. Of course, Crown under takeover offer at the moment. Henry Jennings, should investors care at the moment?
Gosh, probably not. I have to say, It's not even raining up here in Avalon. Just before we kick off, it's weird. So we're bone dry up here at the moment, but obviously heading our way. As far as Crown goes, it has been raining for some time for Crown. Raining bad news, and this is the latest in a litany of bad news. And of course, the big rescuer, the white knight coming over the horizon, of course, is Blackstone with a $13.10 bid for the company. This is kind of the Hail Mary that all the regulators are praying for, that Blackstone will take it off the hands of the current owners, Mr. Packer included, and clean it up and make it a very clean company, a very ethical company. The problem, I guess, as with all these casinos, and Star is the same, is that as far as I can remember, casinos were pretty much designed as a way to play with cash and get cash back. So it's been a cesspit of money laundering and all the other things, alleged money laundering and all the other issues that it's had. And that's not going to change, I suspect. For investors, they're going to be grabbing this $13.10 bid with both hands, trying to put it behind everybody. The regulators trying to put it behind, fresh slate, all this sort of stuff. So, if you're a shareholder now, you are just praying and hanging on for that 30 cents more. I have to say that there are always risks because it takes some time for regulators to approve a new owner of a casino. I'm not sure why it takes so long, because in the past they've managed to approve it very quickly, and it's proven to be pretty unreliable in terms of the regulators' approval. So, but Blackstone is a clean skin from the market perspective. To me, if you're a holder, well, there's 30 cents left in it. No one else is going to come over the horizon. Yep. The risk is that it'll fall over and they'll be back to 10, 11 bucks. So I'd be taking the money now and moving on to something a bit more exciting with a little less risk, I have to say.
So just sell. And Michael, it almost seems as though all the regulators are going, okay, we know new owners are coming in. We've got to have a bit of a clean skin here. We're going to, WA government's done it to Crown in Burswood, come out, bad report saying you got 2 years to fix it up, wrap over the knuckles. Here's another one, get them all out of the way so that when the new owners come, they can go, right, we all start with a clean slate.
Yeah, exactly. I mean, as an investor in ASX stocks, why do you want to be a part of that while this is happening? I mean, you look at casino businesses and, they do pretty much have a license to print money. People come in, empty their wallets and walk out. But as Henry mentioned, because of the cash component, it attracts the bad elements. So you're just always going to have these things. And we've seen it over the years, whether it's been Crown or Star with what's in the news recently. So, a tough business to, I guess, invest in on the ASX because of these problems that continue to crop up. And in the case of Crown, as Henry mentioned, you're hanging out for 30 cents or whatever it is on the current share price. I mean, why do you want to, for 30 cents, for two and a bit %, why sit there and deal with all these risks when...
Get out now.
Yeah, get out now. And this is true for most, I think, most companies that have these takeover offers and then trade up near the takeover price. I mean, you're just running a risk that it falls through, you lose, quite a bit of money just to gain a tiny bit. And out there, we've got a, commodities boom, and there's a lot of other interesting things happening on the market. There's an opportunity cost just sitting in Crown right here. So definitely, I'd be getting out of that as soon as I can.
All right, wise advice.